Mabuhay! I am Dannah Alysa P. Tulabut of 7th Curie. Today I will discuss about the periodic table of elements. The periodic table is a tabular array of the chemical elements organized by atomic number from the element with the lowest atomic number, hydrogen, to the element with the highest atomic number, oganesson. In 1863, a British chemist named John Newlands was the first person to arrange the elements into a periodic table with increasing order of atomic masses. He arranged the elements in 8 groups but left no gaps for undiscovered element. In 1869, Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev created the framework that became the modern periodic table, leaving gaps for elements that were yet to be discovered. German chemist Lothar Meyer produced a version of the periodic table similar to Mendeleev's in 1870. He left gaps for undiscovered elements but never predicted their properties. In 1913, English physicist Henry Moseley rearranged the elements in the periodic table on the basis of atomic numbers. Periods and groups in the periodic table. The arrangement of the periodic table organizes elements with related properties. Element groups. Groups are the columns of the table. Atoms of elements within a group have the same number of valence electrons. The groups of the periodic table are displayed as vertical columns named Group 1A to 7A, Group 1B to 7B, and noble gases are 8A. Element periods. The rows in the periodic table are called periods. Atoms of these elements all share the same highest electron energy level. There are 3 classifications of elements in the periodic table. Metals. The 2 rows of elements below the body of the periodic table are metals. Metal properties include metallic cluster, high electrical and thermal conductivity, usual hard solids, and usually ductile and malleable. Metalloids are semi-metals. There is a zigzag line toward the right side of the periodic table that acts as a sort of border between metals and non-metals. Elements on either side of this line are called metalloids. Metalloids have multiple forms or allotropes and can be made to conduct electricity under special conditions. Non-metals. The elements on the right-hand side of the periodic table are the non-metals. Non-metal properties are usually poor conductors of heat and electricity, often liquids or gases at room temperature and pressure, lack metallic cluster, readily gain electrons, and high ionization energy. The periodic table shows every element's atomic number, symbol, name, and mass. For example, in carbon, its atomic number is 6, its symbol is capital letter C, and its estimated atomic mass is 12 and 1/100.